Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how long a money transfer usually takes on Remitly. When you send money with Remitly, the transfer time can vary depending on a few key factors. Remitly offers two main transfer options, Express and Economy. Express transfers are the fastest option. They are often instant, and the money can be available for your recipient within minutes, especially when you use a debit or credit card. This is ideal for urgent needs. On the other hand, economy transfers are a more cost-effective option. They usually take longer, typically 3 to 5 business days, but the fees and exchange rates can be more favorable. This is a good choice if you're not in a hurry and want to save money. The final transfer time can also be affected by the country you are sending from, the destination country, the payment method you use, and the payout option for the recipient, such as bank deposit, cash pickup, or a mobile wallet. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.